I'm sure you've heard the news. Social media is the key to modern marketing success. But how do you harness its power effectively? In today's fast-paced digital world, going viral can be game-changing for any business. The key? Crafting the right prompts using ChatGPT paired with SEO mastery. Our Master ChatGPT for SEO optimization course will teach you to create trending posts that catch your audience's attention and drive viral growth. Imagine your posts resonating with people, triggering more interaction and ranking higher on search engines. Why do prompts matter? Social media thrives on engagement. With effective ChatGPT prompts, you can create posts that inspire action and interaction, boosting your visibility. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn will love you for it. Timing is everything. This course will show you how to use ChatGPT to create content that taps into current events or trends. Whether it's a trending hashtag or a viral meme, you'll get people talking and sharing. And let's not forget SEO. Learn how to generate SEO-friendly content that stands out. From product descriptions to blog posts, every piece will improve your search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic. Consistency is key. With ChatGPT, you can automate content creation, keeping a steady flow of high-quality posts. Stay top of mind for your followers and watch your engagement soar. Plus, as a bonus, you'll get over 100,000 ChatGPT prompts ready for personal use or reselling. It's like having a treasure trove of content ideas. Unlock the potential of ChatGPT and SEO and transform your social media strategy today. Check the link in the description and start your journey to viral success. Thanks for watching.